How you doing, nerds? What is up? We're back. Wait more. LOWREZ, words, Jesus. And I want to play Wolf and Raven again. Because honestly, I liked that vibe yesterday. So we can even continue from where we left off. Will you be loud? A bit. Pom. This should be muted. I don't need this window anymore. Where is my... there? Streaming. I don't want to spam them very hard, so... I'll just do a text and nothing else. Good, welcome in there, welcome in. How are you all doing? Got my Switch back finally, and I'm Delta in the room. Wait. Back? Didn't you wanted to solder it with something? Or did you eventually send it to the friend to solder it? There is so much Deltarune art on Vplays. Jesus Christ. Oh, you sent it, okay. And Craig? Oh, okay. I mean, jailbroken. Yeah. I was like, he broke it as well? What? Heck yeah, nice. Honestly, as it should be. I'm a firm believer of, as a customer, you should be able to do what you want with your device. Wolf, welcome in, how are you doing? Hope your day is going nicely. There is my... There is that. Coding scene. Oh, do we have browser enabled? Oh, we have browser enabled. I was like, something flashed for a moment. So we turn this off. Blip. VS Code is not... I hate how OBS is like, you are on a different tab. I don't want to record this anymore. Video 2. Don't forget video 2. It is so crazy that phones don't come with the root access by default. Yeah, I mean... Somewhat. It should be easier to enable, is my take. Would I buy a rooted device for my grandma? Fuck no. Should I be able to just click a toggle in the settings? Yes. I'm like starting to get close to thinking about just rooting my device and putting like graphene or something on it. Oh, root access should be option in the developer option. Yeah, that is what I mean. Yeah, that I can fully agree with. With default root access, no, but somewhere enabling, yes. I should follow now. Thank you. So I assume that was you. Welcome to the arcade. I gen code and play mini games. That is what we do here. And I indeed did something today, which is... Well, I would have to turn the music off. I made music, or like, I attempted to make music. Oh, it is too... We have a little... tracky track. It's a simple loop thing. Indeed, it is beatbox. So yeah, we have music and we have a setting, a control enabled for to be also able to control the volume. Which is a bit weird because I said that we are going for just one button. I can tell by that that has drum kit. and now I have two buttons, which is a bit weird. Not two, three technically. Problem with that, it is not just one button anymore, but technically the game is still just one button. You have two assigned for volume. And honestly, we're gonna probably deviate from what we did so far with like, I don't care which key is pressed, just do it. And we're just gonna go against concrete keys. This game reminds me of Pico 8. I wonder why. And I wonder how. The worst thing with beatbox are those drum kits, because every single one sounds weird. It's whatever. I cannot drum kit. I don't have a drum set at home, so it's like, it's a tool that works for me. Do you know how you're gonna export to web? Yes, I already have a web export. Honestly, I just haven't shared it yet. I'm doing it with the Love.js, the David. What is the name? David Obot Love.js. This repo. This is an issue, but with this repo I'm doing it at the moment. Give me a second. But it works. You can I did a few templates for the website. It will not look as nice because I was playing with the touch controls. There we go. But it works basically flawlessly. I had to enable the OSRGB 8 as a canvas format, I think it is called. Let me find it. Here. When I create my canvas that I'm upscaling, I needed to place this format, otherwise I had weird artifacts on the scaling. I asked this in the big Löve Discord and they said that this should solve it. Technically, there could be issues with it because very old graphic cards, from what I've read, might not support it. I'm not sure what is happening then, but like, those are supposed to be very old and niche cards, so. But that was the main problem with it. I wanted to use the other tool. There is a website where you can upload a zip, but at the moment that doesn't work for me for some reason. I'm not sure why. I get a weird error with it through a library I used, but also it didn't work. So Love.js works. It is somewhat easily customizable, so all the better. I haven't tried the shared buffer rating to save data. It is not fully needed for what I want, but it would be a nice to have thing. Okay, I was like, wait, can you see my Discord now? Hey, there is. Hold on. Where? We have a play group that I play Omega Strikers with, and they said that there should be an art of a character I'm doing, and I don't see it. So they lied to me, or it is in a different place. Whatever. I did more buttons? Heck yeah. I'm interested in that game. It is inspired by another button game, right? There is Like a nuclear launch game or something? Or was it just a reactor control? Right? Kinda reminds me of a game like that. You're like not supposed to touch the button. The music is just implemented with a new source and sent to play, and I have a global master volume that is hooked into the left and right keys at the moment. Just gonna probably stay. I don't know what the game is, but I know buttons. Heck yeah, you're gonna like that game then. Please don't touch anything. Mm. Images. Yeah. Okay, cool. I remember this. I'm not sure if I played it myself or I saw someone play. I don't remember. One of the two. So I have a huge to-do list because I wrote everything up today that I wanted in the game. It became long, so that is a problem. So we need a game over scene. We don't have that one yet. The player cannot even die at the moment, but that can be easily achieved with it. I guess I should not put that in the player update. I'm clamping player HP at the bottom somewhere. Yes, here. And now we just can do if player dot have less equals 0, then state equals launch dot set game over. Make users hit Ctrl R to reset the game. Oh, that is a special place in hell. That is evil. Oh, I have a weapon. Can it break? Okay, weapon's broken. 2 damage, 2 damage, 2 damage. There. Empty screen because we have nothing defined for game over. One setting that we're gonna do quickly. Master volume 0. Thank you. Actually, if you all do this, by the way. Like mute your game while deving it. Or is it just me? But at some point I just get fed up by the music while restarting the game 100 times. Too many variables to reset. That is so evil. I guess we need a text for it. Ads. Yeah. I see it. Game for over to 5. So the logo. I just found Pico 8 thing in the Switch Homebrew App Store. Oh? I wonder what that uses, honestly. We have a few emulators, but what would that run? I guess I'm not sure how Switch deving is. It might be just a web view, honestly. That wraps like Explorer or something. Ideka. You can goggle the chick. What the fuck? We need a game order text for each. I don't need these letters. Cocoa chicken. We have an A. Oh, this is too close to each other. There should be. Oh, I'm not consistent at all. Jesus Christ. Okay, everything needs some adjusting. I want. Hold on. Boom. I was just yapping with Curb about not knowing what the Switch would use to emulate Picoid games. This is a bit weird. Shift V, because this is a vertical flip. Plop. Plop, 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 plop. Oh, this is not high enough. Oh. Probably better to just flip this. If we... Oh, and music. There we go. Bloop, bloop, bloop. One higher. Yeah, that looks like an owl, okay. The gum scroll, yeah. Although I do feel like, hold on, I need to check the OG logo for Nightcrawler because I feel like the A is not the same way. One, two. Yeah, the A needs to be. Oh, and how's the bottom? This is 2 pixels and 1. And 1 empty, so 2, 1. There. Cool. Found it. And this is now lower. Because I saw this A while I was like doing the voting, and I was like, this looks a bit weird. And it looks weird because it is not the same. Are you upscaling your assets? No, this is just 42 by 52. This is big enough for the game. I'm upscaling the whole game canvas. I'm drawing on a 64 by 64 canvas. I'm not a 64 by 64 canvas, but I upscale a 64 by 64 sized canvas to your resolution in the same ratio that is like a 1-to-1 ratio. So not by hand, by the canvas. This is upscaled because this is the banner place for Nightfall on HIO. This is this one here. I just haven't opened the right file. This is the Nightfall logo here. But this is this image upscaled to like, I don't know, 100% or something. Whatever. Oh, I love... Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can see it. Mozilla and Sprite doesn't like each other for some reason. I haven't tested it without OBS. But with OBS it looks interesting. Don't do it this way. I might make a banner for my game. Heck yeah. I think customizing your game page is very much underrated compared to how little effort you can put into it and make it look good. I need an E. E. Bit weird. I hate the fact. Do I have a background? Cool. I was decorated big. Heck yeah. I'm not sure what is your experience, but in my experience, you can make it really nice with very minimal work. I guess I can make this droop a bit. I don't like this. Maybe if I slant it? For my pages I do animated GIFs in the description, heck yeah. And like honestly, hold on, let me share a quick clip what I do. I have a template that is the background size ratio. This middle part is your game page part. This is the exact border for where I put sprites from my game, and I just choose a background color and yeet this into the background. And honestly, even this looks cool and takes like 10 minutes to do. I don't want to write a lot of stuff. You can template, by the way, a lot of things. Like avoid most of the typing, but yeah. That is my least favorite part, is like writing out the description and such. That E is weird. It is too tall. Oh. And too long as well. This is what she said, but... Huh. Here's the middle of A. Yeah. I was trying to figure out how to make it less girthy. Less girth. Maybe I did this? Somehow I need to figure out this middle. They move this up. It looks weird, yeah. Like something here is not great, and are you like the same size as my A? No, I can make you a bit longer, I guess. This middle part is very girthy, yes, but like... But without it, it is very much off balance. This is better. I just... Do I need something? I guess that's not the worst thing in the world. Make top a sharp corner? Oh yeah, yeah. I might not need this drip down there. That sharp corner might be enough. Yeah, that is surely enough. This G is still very wrong. I don't like the G, but that is how the G is in Nightcrawler, so it is staying. I don't have an O. I don't have a V. We have an E and we have an R. I don't need you two. Then fuck over to here. And come over here. Don't need you. Yeah, it is very much looking like a J. That is why I don't like it, but I'm not modifying it at this point. It is what it is. You are probably easier to modify to be an O. Because I just do this. I need a V. I was like, something is not great. Something is not adding up. Bloop. Don't need any of these. Full background. There we go. Did you know that Snackbird is featured? Snackbird got featured in like 2 days or something. Like it was super fast. Which totally deserves. Snackbird is amazing. I need to go back and finish it, but I'm so stuck, Jesus Christ. That is too low. Also, I need to finish Infiminos at some point as well. First, yeah. Wait, over is not 5 letters? Why did I think over is 5 letters? Snackbird doesn't work on my Switch though. Oh. Isn't the OG Snackbird on Switch? I don't like this V. Will I do if I move this lower? Not really. We can try. Interesting suggestion. This is the bottom. This is the top. What is this? Free here. Like this. That's too harsh. Oh. Yeah, too sci-fi, yeah, I agree. We are on the same page. It is not a bad V, it just doesn't fully match this. How the fuck am I gonna do a V here? Get rid of you. You're a nice template for a V. Like this. Oh. This is the lazy way to do a V, and it might not work like that. The fact that my middle is odd is what is very disappointing. Like if we had... Oh, that is very chunky though, fuck me. Where is my move? Wait, M is not move. V? That's not the selection, you fuck. I'm is very rectangular at the moment. Yeah, this top here. And also this might be just too low. Like this middle one. Like there. And if I make it like, then it doesn't match the size of the other characters. I fucked myself up with the odd eventing. If I move you a bit out and do this, does that help? Not really. It is wider than everything else. Like there is no set width because of this. Basically this, but that is why, because the W had to be like girthier than everyone else. Into the middle part. Bare bottom. Then we have this. Okay. Well, it does help, yeah. Still. What if I now? Blech. Not like. Me no like. Oh, fuck me. How does the Pico 8 really look? Pico 8. Trained 3. Ah, I see. So if I would follow the Pico 8 scheme, it would be not this. I'm missing one more pixel here. But now it looks like a Y. Is interesting. I guess, yeah, because the feet is not tall enough, or like the legs, or whatever you want to call them. I like the shorter and a bit better. Like this. I don't like this jutting out point. And probably we can do it like this as well. Oh, I don't have Spotify, right? Get rid of Picoin. Why can't you see Spotify? Is it below A-Sprite? No, it just doesn't want to see my Spotify. 2 hours left from what? I need to figure out something with this M as well. I think like if I cut this out, oh, it's not that bad. Looks a bit weird. The air is also whatever. Not like this R. Gem ends in just two. No, wait, no. Isn't it like the weekend? Don't tell me that's now. Just fucking with me. Give or take a couple of days. Oh, fuck you. I got so scared for a moment. I was like, wait, isn't it the weekend? 4 days, yeah. I was like, ooh. You got him, I guess. Holy fuck. That is now too scary, but this is not like this leg. There. Can I make A be more aggressive with this one? Will it look weird if I like this? A bit. The first edition might. But like this is okay-ish. Yes, this is also okay-ish. Positioning this. Jesus. Five, 7. What? Oh. Wait, what? I guess you are odd. That's why. Spread. First things first. Save as. Game over. Before I override the OG one, canvas size 24. Huh? The other way. Holy. I'm still recovering from the gem and jump scare. Right UI. Oh, the Dice Hunters there reached out on Discord. There's a new, quote-unquote new game. I do believe it had demo versions. But there is a quick game out. Where was I? Oh yeah, game over, sprite. UI. Game over. Go. Draw game over. Oh, it is in one, right? What is this image? 42. So it is the same as this one. I haven't modified it. What is? This one. Oh no. This one. That is the logo. And this is. I guess I should rename it to Game Over Text. And I cannot spell. I cannot spell. So it is Game Over Text logo, I guess, to be consistent. I should be working on my game. I mean, probably. It is not in the player, it is in the UI. Yes. What is it called? Oh, I cannot spell. Game over. There we go. Oh, I want to modify. I kind of wish I could just stop the execution here and assign a value to the player, the same as I can do in Picoid. But less. I want to modify this. Player. I'm missing so many things from Picoid. Jesus. Today's technical date when I almost done. Heck yeah. I mean, those are the great ideas. Can be made in like a day or two. There you go. That G is still making me mad, but so that is gonna stay. Game over. I can still use the press button as well. And oh yeah, I wanted to check out. Hold on. Sprite outlines? Question mark? I guess function draw press prompt. Oop. Right? I need to get rid of my weapons as well. And we could just start in game over scene, honestly. Yep. Cool. I need a background for this as well. I do have a tombstone in Nightcrawl, right? Surely I do. Not adventure tileset. Nightcrawl, banner, no. Picoid, parts. Where is Nightcrawl? Hey, where is Nightcrawl? What? Oh, it is not in ABC, it is in modified. Because like, where is my M? Oop. Wait, I don't? Oh? Hey, what? Nitro. Oh, it's not a tombstone, it is just fallen. Huh. And they are missing the moon as well, but I'm not like set on the moon. I don't want to fully copy the game. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. The nightcrawl. No. Need the full mockup. I think it's called like LOWREZJAM or something still. Oh, it's called Nightcall Runner. Yeah, this is this one. New layer. Where's my group? Oh, it's a new group. Inkscape is the one who's the group outside. There you go. Into the group you go. Okay. Okay, nice. 1.5. I don't believe we have the over text here. Just is this small? The game as well? It is. Oh. T press I hate this new text box thing that was made. Oh, cannot stand it. Selection, invest, edit, outline. Oh, it is. Hey, where is mine? Hey, but I don't need the inverse for this. Is it just the normal? Oh, it is just normal. Oh. Index blue. It's not the exact same, but we can remedy that quickly. Bloop, 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 bloop. Doop, doop, doop. You need to make the sounds, otherwise a sprite doesn't draw. Bloop. Refs somewhere doesn't really matter. The fuck do I put on this screen? I guess we need the distance that the player traveled. That is probably one of the best things to put here, because in theory we want to be like a runner type score chaser. It's very in the middle. We might need to parameterize this text. I can put it down here. Like up here I can have what? Press the T. Distance 200 m. If you do this one more time, I swear to God. Defeated. 10. I need something else here. I need to... let's do this properly. So because I need to figure out... I mean... Distance... One of them... Don't need to press enter. Defeated. 69. Take these two. Copy. New layer V. Move it down by 1. Edit, replace color. There. It's just, oh. Click OK. And switch the order layers. There will be another outline and another outline here. I guess I can move both of them. Very close to each other, and then we can have something here. What do we put there? Can we fit a sprite? An enemy sprite here? Can I save who killed you and put them here and a player grave? Like this and... Bloop. Oh, then I can outline this without me doing the outline. Edit, effects. Oh, you have your outline. Oh. There. Shift O. I'm kind of missing a killed by here, but I'm not sure if that fits. I do believe I have that on my roguelike. Not my roguelike, my shpop. I think I have a killed by. Yeah. Oh, I cannot see it. This fight is over. Oh, come on, switch. And give. And there you go. We have a killed by here. Like a lot of weird numbers and statistics. Can I fit killed by somewhere? Like if I fit in the middle, I think that is just too divided. Probably not needed fully. Oh, that is very long. Fuck me. I wanted a line break. I swear. Yeah, that is... Maybe just this, that is enough. And if we eventually animate things, it can just bop his head up and down. Like, yeah, it is not flashing. And what I can do is... Where's your head? Oh yeah, these... 6? Yeah. Is it on 7? It is on 7. We can have the little guy Unga Bunga at your cave. Cave? Grave. So now I need this. I'll save as grave. Export as grave. UI image handler. Game over grave. Are we still on Wolf and Raven? We are still on. Very cool. Oh, that is a chunky beat. Okay. And I need to parameterize this shit. Which is bad because I haven't figured out a way to calculate text length yet. Properly. I mean, I guess I can hard code it, but Brooksy, welcome, welcome, how are you doing? How do I do this? Also, I don't want to calculate defeated either. Oh, and my text is what is the word? It's not static, dynamic due to distance traveled and killed. Also working on my entry? Yeah. Welcome to the code working cave when I a lot. I'm trying to figure out a way at the moment on how I can calculate the text length with my font. The thing is, spaces are only 2 characters. If I remember correctly. Like 2 pixels. Like. No, it is just a 1. Let's do this a bit. Yeah, space is only one character. That said, I don't know what like special characters are in length. Like what is semicolon? It is also one. There's no way to... I mean, I guess they don't know what font you are using, so there is like no real way to tell it. Because the print doesn't return anything here, sadly. Oh wait, yeah, exactly. I looked it up yesterday. It would be so nice. Imagine. uh... I mean, I guess I can create a function that hard codes it a bit. Function text length text for index. Can I even do this? Is this Lua or Python? I need the iPairs, right? The something in something is Python. Oh no, you can do what the fuck is this? In string gmatch dot. What? I can show you this. Stack Overflow flashbang. See in str gmatch dot. Take an advantage of the fact that the string module is set as a meta table for all string values, so its function can be called as member using the semicolon notation. And what is gmatch dot? I don't know what this is. Gmatch. No. Provides an iterator to search for a substring in a string that matches a given pattern. Okay, then what is the dot pattern? No one knows. Numerics, key value pairs. Because yeah, you can do this. The fuck is gmatch dot? I mean, we can fetch this, I don't care. Into the to-do it goes to look after. Check what dot does in gmatch. Yeah, this is Python. I also did the semicolon. Oh, wait, what? Oh, fuck me. Okay. Then we're gonna do the substring. Fuck my life, I guess. Pound. One text and equals if others dot is volume in set C, and I forgot what they do here. I think it is this. Yeah, probably because it talked about it being a meta inside it, so you can call it. And there is no plus equals. Is it a 1? No, it is technically 2, right? Because there is a space after it. And this is now 4, because 3 for the character and 1 for the spacing. For the next character. We have storage space. Don't download everything, you fuck, and then you would have storage space. I hate Windows so much. So quickly to check print text length text. It should be 34. Is 40? Oh, because it has now this. But that still doesn't add up. 36. Huh. Oh, there is a width for the font? Determines the maximum weight according for new lines taken by the given string. Oh, this is magic. First thing is, I searched up for length to like get length of text, and this doesn't like. Yeah, it is probably just weirdly worded, so the search engine doesn't pick it up. Oh, this is called on your font, right? Or your font object. Taken by the given string, so it should be the same. Shouldn't it? Like, okay, I'm speaking wrongly. I need the amount of pixels that it will take. Which this should return interior, right? So this font is it? Get width? Get width. I cannot type this word for the life of me. I hate saying it as well. Get width. It was 42 now. Did I miscalc something in here then? Because we are still doing 17 here. Which is like 1 pixel off. What did I count off? But this returns the number I want. Yeah, thank you, Huff. Oof, oof. That first part still messes me up. My brain just parse errors whenever I read it. Why is this 32? 3 from here. Oh no, this is 4 as well. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Plus 2 from here, plus 2 from here. Yeah. Okay, it is returning correctly. I just miscalled something like yesterday. Cool. Oh, that is so handy. Fuck my life. Return this for me. And now this needs to be like go something weird. Ads incoming. Brace yourself. I will go take a piss break while ads are running. BRB. Where's my BRB? As soon as I find it, BRB. Welcome back from ads. I made small rant. I made I'm trying to make lacto-fermented jalapeno sauce, but not in the normal brine way, but in the sriracha blended up way. And ever since I was blending jalapenos for like 10 minutes in the morning, I have the smallest, like not smallest, but like the ever so slightly dribbly nose all day fallout. That, but it's like I have to blow my nose every 2 hours, and it is so irritating. Text X Y. I guess it is not even a Y. X Y centered. So it is the text. This doesn't really matter because I'm gonna say true. This is still Python. If is I guess we can say x equals is center and 32 minus x length x divided by 2 or x. To our text, and this is now just x. This is x, and this is y plus 1 y, and it was 42. I'm not passing color at the moment, but I'm not gonna really change it. Oh, and this is still empty down below. Yes, okay. Rightfully so, it crashes. Yes. Like this. We're gonna draw you. Doesn't matter. So I need the height of axis 4, shadow under 5, another shadow or like the outline under 6. It is 58, 57. So I have one more pixel between. And also state that doesn't feel in the middle. Is my logo off center? Oh, it is right. We talked about it being not fully. Yeah, 5/6. We do a little bit of cheating. Oh, but let's see here. I guess because of this notch is the main culprit. Whatever, for later day. X game over, logo being even. Don't know. Middle line. We're gonna do local defeated that equals defeated distance. I guess this needs to be like player distance. Player distance. Local. Wait. No, it is distance undefeated. I was like, what is not adding up in my brain? Player defeated. Sons. There. But it's combat here. Yeah, that would be defeated. Now we have these two numbers. My logo is 24 high, but it is started at once 25, so it can start at 26. And we talked about this being 6, so 33 is the next one where I can start this text. One lower, respectively. 27, 35. Yep. I'm still seeing a spade. There you go. I just added the text. Like the most boring thing I ever done. I guess we could add spaces and then M. Yes. Yeah, that seems okay. Draw grave. Graphics. Draw. UI images. Game over grave. Back to A sprite. Is the position? Guess if this is the middle. Go this over. $19 and what is this? $42, $43. Yep. Hold on, I want to check out a sprite outline printer with the coloring that we are doing the same for text. The previous one should be print, because this is a printing with outline, not a drawing with outline, but that means you need to be print outline, so that's the only two places that I use this with. For now it seems to be. So rename print, and now you need to be SPR. We set the color. Löve graphics draw. SPR position. Reset the color. Just draw the image in the middle. Right. You don't need color. I'm not sure how this will look. This uses that weird thing that happens with coloring. So let's do helpers dot draw outline, one thickness, and we can do color pico all to dark red. Be very distinct color. Yes. I guess it doesn't fully work because we are just tinting the image itself. It does something, but I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Red. We start, go here. I can't even see this red. I can't see it on my screen. But it's like there is a very faint red outline. I probably need to look into how to draw like pixel wide outlines. I would assume it is some kind of shader that does this, but I have absolutely no experience with shaders, so that is not happening. This was a good try. That graphics. Oh. Oh yeah, and we need who defeated the player. What we can do is defeated by, assign it an ID. The player dies. Still Wolfenraven. Still Wolfenraven. Party at Bernie's. And we move this we know the exact position for this. This one. This is not this, but enemy handler. Oh, I don't have it exported. Fuck. Oh, I still don't have the ID saved. Oh. Well, fuck me then. That's a dummy thing. Dummy page. Oh yeah, it is way too high. Like Snoop Dogg level of high. Press the button and now it went away. I needed like 4 pixels lower, maybe 47. Oh, that is too low. There. So it would look something like this. Like the enemy who kills you will stand next to your grave. Distance is slowly ticking up. How does this look with like 124 9999? Oh yeah, that can fit way more than that. Ooh. And in theory I have the code already implemented. If I just press the button, I'm back to the menu and now I can restart. There we go. It doesn't restore the values though, but we haven't made the code yet. Also, there's a typo in distance. I'm missing the E. There. I also kind of wish there was a way to like do a screenshot in the game. Wait, I need to look it up. Maybe there's like a way to export your current canvas somehow. You can press like a button and do a screenshot from like inside the game, like how you can do F6 in Pico 8. Oh my god. Cool. I mean, this is not a huge progress, but we have a full game loop. We have an actually quote-unquote functional game over scene. I mean, it is actually functional. It has weird values tied into it. Oh, something weird is happening here. Oh, my HP is 0. It is not reset. Yeah. That is what is happening. Cool. The stream is gonna be this short today. Oh, also, yeah, yet again seeing Sprite. Why is a Sprite there? But yeah. We made this little game over scene with some art, made some logos. Didn't really create a new helper. This is mostly useless. I guess we made the text length. Hold on, that should be in helpers. We can move it there and it's all helpers function length. There we go. And now this needs to go from helpers dot. There you go. Put it in its place. But yeah, let me quickly check. Let's see, are you up? Are you streaming? No. Angie is streaming. But before, there's someone streaming from the jam. I don't see it on the Discord. Let's quickly look at the game devs who stream. Oh, that is a lot of us now on. Okay, I might need to search for LOWREZJAM, and if you don't have that in your title, this is not my problem. Then looking for a tune for LOWREZJAM. Oh, Angie's gonna work on LOWREZJAM. Okay, we are jumping to Angie then. So we're gonna stay on the game dev train. Angie's a cool game dev working on a Tycoon game at the moment, but after that they're gonna jump over to their LOWREZJAM entry. It's been a while since we raided her. We have this cool little message. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow, probably. Because we still have a game to finish. Jesus Christ, so much things to do. But yeah, thank you all for being here. And I will see you over at NG and then tomorrow. Bye bye!